Hello and what's up, y'all? This is your 20-something Alex Von Lane here, and today we're gonna take a look of this brand new, clean Nintendo Switch that we got from 2021's Christmas. Say hello to that TikTok hat, everyone. Say hello to that TikTok hat, and here it is, y'all. Da 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 da. As you can see, it's tested. It's brilliant. It's perfect. It's 100% working. Never not working. And its features, it has, well, it's just a plain old Nintendo Switch. Just a plain old Nintendo Switch, but either way, it's really, really cool. Brand spanking new, it's clean, it's tested. And it turns on really, really well. I'll have to get back to it later, But yeah, everybody, this is my Nintendo Switch. I got the first Switch on 2017 for Christmas. For my birthday, I'm sorry. And I got it again on Christmas in 2021. So yeah. So yeah, people, this is my Nintendo Switch. Hope you guys like it. But yeah, more videos coming up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And this is my Nintendo Switch, everyone, in 2021. So this is me, your 20-something Alex Von Lane, signing off. And as the Nintendo Switch era, Nintendo Switch decade has come to an end. But fun more is to be done on the Nintendo Switch 2 when it comes this year in 2025. See you guys real soon. Bye.